Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 3-in-1 single serve coffee machine. It does K-cups, ground coffee, as well as loose tea. Alright, so today we have received our coffee maker. This one isn't offered in 2 different colors. I got the silver and pink. They also offered in silver and black. So this one right here tells a little details on the side. You can brew a drink with the K-cups pods. You can do ground coffee or regular ground tea. It has a portable tank capacity of 1.5 liters. It brews it super fast. Alright, so let's dive into the box and see what we do get with this coffee machine. So first off, we'll get a user manual. This one will tell you how to use it, what the different cups are for. So right here is the user manual. I'm going to pull that to the side, open this up. So there's the 2 different colors you can choose from. The instructions manual telling you about the overview, warnings, different cups, brewing instructions. So that all you got to do is just add fresh water to the removable reservoir. It pops your favorite cup in there. So it tells you right here, you put the water in. You have 3 different cups. You got one for ground coffee, one for ground tea. You have another one for your K-cups. So you've got hot, hotter, hottest, and then you got the hottest room temperature and troubleshooting in case it does not work or if you have any troubles with it. So the K-pods in here, I like using the K-pods. They are super easy and you do get a nice bulk of them when you purchase them. So now we're going to go and grab the coffee machine out of the box. So you can see this is what it looks like. This is the side. You can see the back where that has the extra cups, the tank. So now we're going to show it from the front. So this is the front. You just push this button and it lifts up to put in your coffee. So this one here is for the ground coffee or the tea. You can see you just open it like this and it's got the filter already in it. So you do get 2 of these filters. So if you want to brew tea or just ground coffee, you can do that. And then they have one separate one just for the K-cups. And then you just pop it right into this machine right here. You see the spout to the back. You just put it right here in the front, pop it right in there, push it down. And then you push this down here and it'll lock in place. So we're going to move toward the back of the tank. This here is magnetic. So it just magnetizes to it. You can feel the pull. So it magnets right there. It's a really nice stainless steel finish. It's got a pink on the inside. So like I said, I got the silver and the pink. So here is another filter. This filter right here could be for your tea. So there is the filter right there. Just close that up. So you have an extra filter for one for tea, one for ground coffee. Then you do get one more. This is for the K-cups. So if you're using the K-cups coffee, you just pop it right in here. You can see that little thing at the bottom. That thing at the bottom will puncture the bottom of the K-cup and it'll dispense it down here. You don't have to worry about it. You won't get any grounds inside your coffee. So now we're going back to the back of the tank here. And then we're going to pop out this one. So this is a scooper as well as a brush. So you can brush off some of the filters. You can also wash the filters. And then you get a little scoop right here. So this reservoir is a 1.5 liter. So it'll give you enough water to brew your coffee. This is a single serve, but it does have different options. You can do 6 ounce, 8 or 10 ounce cups at a push of a button. You just wait for 60 to 100 seconds. This will fit anywhere on the countertop. The coffee machine is 6.3 inches in width. It is 10.6 inches in height. You can always find a space in your kitchen for this. It's super portable. You can take it with you on the go. You can see that they do have the power cord right here. So when you're done with it, you can just pop the power cord back in there and it just covers it and tucks it out of the way. So I'm just going to grab enough to plug it in. So then I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and I'm going to brew my first cup of coffee. So it's got a nice feed at the bottom, so it's not movable, it's not slittable, so it's nice and sleek, super tiny. You can see how sleek and thin this is. So in the front you got the power button, you have your 6, 8 and 10 ounce buttons. So this is 8 and then this one right here will brew 10 ounces of coffee or whatever you put on here. And here's the spout where the coffee will come out. You get a nice little removable tray at the bottom, so if you happen to spill any coffee, you can go ahead and take that out and clean it. So right now I have a K-cup. I'm going to put the K-cup inside the coffee pot, but first I got to put it in the adapter. So you don't want to put it in here just like that. So this one right here will puncture the bottom as well as on the top. So you just pop it in there like that, push it down, and it'll dispense out of right here. So you just turn that in the front way right here, push that down, and then when you close that, that will puncture the top, so the water will go into the top and disperse the coffee. All right, so now that I got it in, I'm going to grab my cup. I'm going to put my cup in here and I'm going to dispense 10 ounces. As you can see, my cup is really big. So we're going to push the power button. We're going to go and click the right one. You can see the light start flashing. It'll make a couple sounds before it starts brewing. So this is BPA-free, the material for water tank and the piercing needle. It has a detachable filter basket and a drip tray that can be removed and washed directly. It is super easy to clean by pressing the button after adding the water in with vinegar. You can do the descale mode, which is the medium cup bottom to the start. Button flashes in a descales mode. It'll take out the pods and brew 6 cups of hot water when finishing descaling. So we're just waiting for that to debrew. So it's just flashing. As soon as it's done flashing, you can see that it's brewing the coffee. It doesn't take that long. It's about literally 30 seconds. So you can see right now it's dispensing the coffee. It'll go ahead and fill this up to 10 ounces. If you do not drink that much, you can do 6 or 8 ounces. So each time you want to brew a cup of coffee, you just throw in your ground coffee, or you could put a K-pot in there, and you have to do it for each coffee you make because this is a single serve coffee. So we're just waiting for that to finish up. So you can see that it is finishing up. It is starting to stop dripping. So once it's completed with the coffee, it will blink, and it'll also sound with 3 beeping sounds. That's letting you know that the coffee has been done. So I have a full cup of coffee. This is great to have in the morning or in the afternoon if you just want a single serve. This machine is fantastic. I highly recommend checking this one out. It does offer it in 2 different colors for you to choose from.